Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. I just want to show you guys a little bit of our little town here. I know you guys know that I live near the beach, but I very, very rarely video anything near where we live because I'm always in my kitchen. So this is part of the harbor down here, Channel Evans Harbor. Some of the boats. We're down here actually looking at some boats today. And just relaxing, resting my wrist. Had a nice lunch. It was our church conference, second day today, and just out for a nice stroll. And I figured that I would show you how pretty it is, a little bit of where we live, and the beautiful day that it is today. So these are some of the boats that are docked in the harbor. And it's really, really peaceful out here. So I just wanted to do a really quick video. I will be updating everybody. Sorry about that. I will be updating everybody on the giveaway this week, showing everybody the prizes. I'm not sure which day we're going to be doing the video. We are scheduled, have reservations to go to Disneyland. So we are going to go. Not how sure that that's gonna that's gonna go yet, but yeah, we're still gonna do the 7,000 giveaway, even though we are over 7,400 people. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the giveaway at the end of next week, probably on Friday, because I have several doctor's appointments next week for my wrist. So we're just gonna go from there, and I am going to try to can a few things that I need to can because I've already got them. Even with my wrist the way it is, I'm gonna see how I do. So we will see. In case you guys don't know what happened, my wrist is pretty bad, and I'm in a brace from the doctor now, and my blood pressure's way up. So two things going on. I'm not sure what's going on with the blood pressure, but lots of stress, I think, and oh, we will see. So I just wanted to give you guys this is why we're out here, just to kind of de-stress, be out in the open ocean air, and show you guys a little bit of what we see on a daily basis out here. So here's just some of the harbor. We're not near the beach right now. I mean, we are, but you can't see the beach from here. You can't see some of the mountains. The beach is right over there. Actually, it's over there too, on the other side of these ships. So yeah, there's a really nice catamaran right there. Okay, I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to watch all of the September videos for a chance to enter. Watch for the word of the day, and comment all of the word of the day in those videos. And you will still have a chance to enter, even though we are in October. Like I said, probably not doing this probably until October 8th or 9th, the giveaway, and lots of prizes, you guys, and more to come. I will see you guys soon. Have a great, great weekend. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video. Today's word of the day is going to be marina, as in harbor marina. So marina, M-A-R-I-N-A, marina. And here's a nice boat coming in. Okay, you guys, I will see you soon. Word of the day, marina.